On the night of March 24th, 2023, a large and destructive wedge tornado struck the community of Rolling Fork in Silver City, Mississippi.
That's a violent tornado!
The Rolling Fork and Silver City tornado would kill 17 people and injuring at least 165 others. And the wind speeds would be estimated at 195 miles per hour. But first, let's go back into the details of how the tornado actually formed. On March 24th, the Storm Prediction Center issued a moderate risk with 15% tornadoes, 30% wind, and only 15% hail. But that's not it. Water vapor imagery showed a potent mid-level trough. Strong mid-level winds between the trough and strong high-pressure areas across the southeastern United States were displaying in models as well. A tornado watch would be issued around 5:15 p.m. for portions of eastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, central and northern Mississippi, and western Tennessee. The tornado watch mentioned the possibility of several strong to intense tornadoes with persistent supercells. Here is an observed sounding from Jackson, Mississippi, launched less than an hour before the EF4 tornado began. Clusters of storms evolved along the confluence bands in conjunction with improving wind shear profiles. Hold up, you're telling me the SPC lowered the probabilities for tornadoes to a 10% risk? No, that can't be right. Oh my god, it is. The reason why the SPC did that is because they were seeing weaker than expected instability in the area, which is why they downgraded the tornado risk to a 10%. But the SPC did say a few strong tornadoes are going to happen. As an update was being issued, a strong supercell evolved near the Louisiana-Mississippi border. By 7:57 p.m. CDT, a strong velocity couplet formed at the base of a supercell. And at 8:04 p.m., as the storm approached the town of Rolling Fork, a tornado emergency was placed. The storm then began producing the long-tracked and deadly high-end EF4 tornado that struck Rolling Fork, Midnight, and Silver City, inflicting catastrophic damage and causing over a dozen fatalities. But then the tornado would go on to destroy Midnight and Silver City. But I'll get into more details on another video. But for now, I'm going to stop here. And I love you guys, and I'll guys see you next video. Love you all.